Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing. See? I got it for Christmas from my aunt. The box actually just came in the mail, so thank you, Titi Gina, for this. So we're gonna unbox her in front of you. This has been my dream doll. So yeah, let's get her open. So, not really sure how to unbox this. Really excited. Oh shoot. I'm not good with scissors at all. I'm gonna get this packaging off. Hold on. Alrighty, so I got that dumb plastic piece off. We don't like plastic. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys, oh, wait, I forgot. First I had to punch out this heart thing. Not really sure why, but I'm just gonna do it somehow. All done. So now, oh. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh, she's been my dream doll since she came out, and I've been trying to get her for so long. Oh my god! Sorry, I have to take in this moment. Okay, alrighty. Let's get her out. Let's get her out. How is she come out of this cage? I'll be back. Okay, so I got all that extra stuff out. Now it is time to get her out. Oh, yay! I'm so excited. I never keep the dolls' rooms. Like, I always throw them away, but hers I'm going to keep. Even though I have a lot of junk in my room, this beautiful thing must stay. Along with, I did get Spice BB for Christmas. You can go check out the What I Got for Christmas video. Let's take a look at our room. Okay, so we have the mirror in here, and you can actually take off the film. I didn't know that till, and I've been collecting OMG dolls, since they came out. So I didn't know that until a few months ago. So yeah, yeah. So there's an actual mirror, and then in her room, we have Sugar on the front. She is Sugar's big sister. We have, the chair thing, and she has a picture of, Spice and Sugar, and then some makeup. And then we have, a cotton candy bar thing. I want a cotton candy bar in my room. It's hard to see. Yeah, we have that. I'll probably have to tape this backdrops in because they're, coming actually out. So, yeah, and then they have, all these dressing room doors, and they're really cute. Let's get on with the opening. Okay. So, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we have this box. This BFF journal. Oh my goodness. I'm not overreacting. I have been wanting it for so long. Ow. Something hit me. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. So her BFF journal looks like this. And here it is. She's in Aquarius, and it says, float in the sugar puff clouds and see where the wind takes you. And she's an Aquarius. Opposites are sweet. Okay, it was hard to read. There was bubble letter. But I love that. Let's open. Actually, let's get her out first. I'll be back because there's a lot of stuff attached to her. Okay, so let's take a look at this beauty. I know she came out in 2021 in the summer. I know. I just haven't gotten her yet. I'm really excited though. So she has curly hair. It's blue and pink. It's very hairsprayed in, which is good. I like the dolls with hairsprayed hair so that way they stay beautiful. Then she has this kind of under outfit that looks amazing with these straps. And then she has some socks. Actually, I have to pull those up. Those are falling down. But let's open her accessories. Oh, she also has glittery lipstick. Love it so much. Okay, so she comes with a white doll stand. So let's put that together and stand her up so that way she doesn't just lay on my dining room table. I'm in my dining room because this is the best lighting in the house, in my opinion, besides the bathrooms. So here she is in her doll stand. She's going to stand over here. Let's open up her garment bag. So this first garment bag has a ton of like angels and stuff and clouds. So let's open it up. I do save the garment bags that I think are cute if I don't really like the garment bags. Oh, yeah. This is so cute. Okay, so she comes with a clear pink hanger, and her jacket has like spice and sugar on there, like little babies. It's hard. I hope the camera will focus on it. No, it's not going to focus. But it has like fluffy sleeves, and it is blue with some pink on it. And then the next garment bag, this one's really puffy. Okay, let's see. It's pure happiness. My hands are shaking. Yes. Okay. Her dress. Oh, it's so pretty. I've seen these like before. They have like this fringy part, and it's a bit see-through, and that's why she has this undergarments. So that way it's like kind of still staying stylish and still staying appropriate. She has like these puffy sleeves with some pink on the bottom, and it looks like clouds, and oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And then she came with the blue hanger, and this is her garment bag. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's blue and pink and all that. Next up, we have her black bags. So I'm going to get her dress after we open everything. So as her, like, what she got from BB Boutique is a fanny pack. It's golden, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. And it goes, like, around her waist and all that. Okay. Next up, we have her shoes. These are sneakers, and you can actually see them. They're size 6.5 with Sweetle 1K sugar. Okay. Let's look at that. They're kind of heavy. Okay, let's open up her shoes. Oh, I saw these on Neonlicious when the first OMG dolls came out. These are silver, which are really pretty. So they're these like silver with the thick wedges. They're pink and blue. That's probably why they're heavy. Don't plan on losing these ever. Okay, moving on. There's so much trash I have to pick up later. That's a later problem. I'm going to move the trash over there so that way I don't get it mixed up and then lose the small accessories. In here we have, so these are the extra doll stands. So they come with a real thick one and a really thin one. So there's a medium. This is for like when they have thin clothes for puffy, and then that's obviously medium. Now time for this. Okay, so she comes with this like chunky headband. It does like open up like that. It's pretty cool. I think that's her headband, right? Yeah, that's her headband in there first. And then she comes with a lot of jewelry. She comes with a really cute pair of earrings. They're gold with some hoops on them. They're both the same. They're gold hoops. Then she comes with a gold necklace. I've never seen like an OMG doll necklace that comes with the OMG doll. Like, I put Barbie necklaces on them, but this is like specifically made for OMG dolls. Then she has 3 bracelets. Yeah, they're bracelets. They're 3 mini gold bracelets. So I'm gonna get her dressed, and then I'll see when she's all dressed. Okay, so here's Sweet's all dressed. The fanny pack couldn't really fit, so I just kind of transformed it into a purse. So here's her with the jacket, her bracelets, the necklace, the headbands, and the shoes. Overall, definitely 10 out of 10. So worth the wait. She's been going on and off on sale, so I'm not definite on the price now. But I definitely know that whatever price it is, it's definitely worth it because this is one of the best dolls MGA has ever made. And I'm happy. And then you can also reuse these little hat boxes and shoe boxes for like anything, or like for your dolls to store stuff. I like to use them for that matter because it just makes everything easy. And then you can put all the doll stands. If you like lose small pieces, you can put all the little pieces like that. You can also put the journal in here and then close it up, and then the hairbrush you're just gonna have to try not to lose. It doesn't really fit anywhere, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified when I post a video. I love y'all. Have a great day, night, or evening. Bye!